Welcome back to another video, guys, and today I am going to be trying Animal Company. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to be trying it. Alright, so I'm going to get my equipment.
I can drive these guys.
Yo, guys, come here, guys. Come here.
I'm ready. Shotgun? Dude.
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm
Guys,
ready to
I'm already down here. Everybody,
No, it costs a lot. He can't just give you to.
Okay.
No, not two.
Well, where do we go?
For this shotgun.
Go right
who wants to
here.
battle for this one.
No, I'm saying
Me! Okay.
I'll have this
Go to the computer who wants to battle for this
Can you
one.
give me your empty shotgun?
Me.
Can you give me your empty shotgun?
It's not empty.
your
It's
empty
not
shotgun?
empty. It's not
No,
empty.
the green guy.
Go here. Stand right here. Who wants to battle for
Dude,
this
where are you
shotgun?
at?
Stand right here. You have a chance to win this.
Okay, that was pretty.
He doesn't do it good.
Alright, I'm just going to go with this monkey since nobody wants to go. Okay, I never played this game, but alright. Yeah, you show me the way. Well, please.
Dude.
Bro, I have never played this game, bro. I don't know
Who the
how
heck?
to do this.
Why would you do that, dude? Why would you?
Bro,
Why would you
oh
do
my
that to
God.
him? Why would you do that to Green?
Hey
guys,
you
you
wanna
wanna
come with me to the pit?
Because you do. Shut the fuck up.
You wanna come with me to the pit?
I do?
Dude, I almost got the big banana.
Because
but
you
I
wanted
died.
to?
What did I do?
Can you guys stop being mean and can we play?
Almost.
You killed.
Alright, come on, let's go, let's
Hey,
go, let's go.
hey man.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Light, you wanna come with me?
Yeah,
Wait, let's
I'm coming
go.
with
Somebody give me a
I'm
backpack.
playing this update. I know there's a weird,
Hey.
creepy blue eye thingy. That's the only thing I know about down here. I'm scared. I really don't want to go.
Everybody go to the new monster. Or everybody go to... What wants to egg? You have to follow me. Hey guys, it really looks cool down.
I'm stuck.
Who the fuck is that?
Hello.
So, what do I do? How do I avoid him? How do I avoid the big eye boy? Ken, touch me with your big soggy bowl.
Bro, what the heck?
Get it.
So you're telling me I I stepped in some
Yo, I
glue.
want you to sell those shotguns right now. I'm reporting to the Discord for false.
Bro, you made me die just
Jockey.
because.
Jockey.
Womp womp. Everybody, we're going to the new place. Can anyone buy me a shotgun? Golly. Bro, anyone? Can anyone buy me a shotgun? Oh, no good.
Let's go. I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna go with you.
Big booty cheeks! Alright, boys. It's time to become men. Grab anything that's valuable and bring it home with us. Be careful hitting those strikes. And be careful with those meatballs. Let's do this, boys. I told you not to. Get over here, monkey. Grab that flashlight behind you, boy. There's a flashlight behind you. Wait until he becomes green. Here, I'll get this bag. Oh, never mind. Grab that flashlight.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good.
Here. Take the flashlight. And take that bag over there. Take that bag over there. Come on. Don't hit any of these meat things. You can hit these, but not these. You hit these, this nigga will kill you in one strike.
Okay.
Alright, now let's go. Ow, fuck. Shit burns. Alright. You can turn your light off on this one. Fuck out of here.
What the frick is that? What the heck is that?
So, are you gonna get punched by him, or,
No, bro.
Oh,
I
there's
don't know
more.
what that thing is. What the heck is
Take the fashion. Holy shit, big boy. Fuck.
People are actually being useful at buying flashbangers.
Oh my god.
And those are not shotguns. Damn it. Well, I'm going to lobby.
Come on, boys, stop being pussies. Come on, boys, stop being pussies. Grab flashlight and follow me to the dark zone.
Where's the dark zone?
It's time for you guys to become.
Bro, like, what is this? What is this, bro? I am going to.
What up, boy?
Where did my bomb go?
Let's go, boy. Come on.
I dropped my grenade. I'm back shot, bro. I'm back shot. Look Bonnie on.
Ladies
Look Bonnie
first.
on. Look
Ladies
Bonnie
first.
on.
Ladies
Look Bonnie
first.
on.
Ladies fucking first. Go. Motherfucker, I said ladies first. Ladies fucking first. Let's go down. You motherfucker, you're fucking stupid. You just, you dumb fuck. Look whose fault is that, you fat fuck. Alright, now let's on. Look like Queso ate blue. Queso fucking punched him through the wall. I have to leave without him. So guys, don't hit these drives. You hit these things, this motherfucker will kill. These motherfucker will kill you.
Bro,
Joking, my nigga. Come get your crossbow.
bro, this game,
Who the fuck just
Alright,
shot
well,
you?
somebody killed me and
Such a
I'm
bad
kinda
job,
pissed
man.
now.
Dog, it's not
Stop
even-
trying to kill people. No,
One
I'm gonna
more.
redo that shit again.
5-4.
You guys try to kill me again, I will fucking kill you.
All you need
Hey,
is a
sergeants,
flashlight
we're coming
for
back
us.
down. Hey, sergeants, we're coming back down.
We're coming.
Fuck.
We're coming.
Hey, sergeants, we're coming back down. We just came back from the gulag.
Yeah, Sergeant, my asshole stinks.
I know,
We
it
are
fucking
on our
stinks
way.
ass,
We are on
but I
our
just
way.
came back from the
We're
gulag.
coming
I'm on my
down.
way down.
We're on our way. We're
It's my
coming.
fucking butt.
Oh, don't hit your butt, man.
We are on our way, heading down to you. On our way.
We're down, sergeant. We're down here, sergeant. Oh, it fucking stinks. Smells
We're
like
getting
fucking rotten
close. We're
corpse.
getting close.
We got this, sergeant. Grab that fast.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Don't move an inch.
Oh shit.
Come on, Blue. Come on, sergeant. Alright, sergeant. Don't hit me. Get out of here! Oh shit, we just lost a really good man. Alright, try to die.
Can someone ban this kid?
The heck, bro? We keep dying. It's gonna be a very long video, bro.
Nah, how much money do I got?
Alright, let me just-
That's enough.
I am heading.
Bro,
I am
people are
heading
taking
north.
my stuff for
I'm
no
heading
reason.
to you guys. I just died, so I'll be right with you guys. Okay, don't worry. The monster is located somewhere else. Just keep going straight. Keep going straight. I am coming. I am coming. Please wait at the front entrance.
Venom test?
I am heading on my way.
Who just died, mate? Oh, you got a free shotgun, bro.
I am heading on my way. Can you please wait at the front?
Bro, get that
The front
big
entrance.
flashlight, bro. Come on. Big flashlight over there. Look, big flashlight right there. It's on right there. Bro, what?
Alright, I'm coming back, sergeant. Oh my fucking god. Motherfuckers.
Let's go. I got banana. Hi, dude. What the heck?
Wait up. Oh my god. Wait up. Oh my god. Hopefully you make it. Hopefully I make it. I made it like a big dog. But I also don't have any flashlight, so I can't see. Jump down here. Please, I need backup. I don't have a flashlight. Please, I need backup. Just going to. Somebody's coming. Oh, I think so. I guess I have to go through that. Creeper and a monkey. I am just going to just jump down since nobody's coming. Wait. Can you somebody come to the parkour wall thing? Somebody come to the parkour wall. Please come to the parkour wall. I'm waiting. If you don't come back, if you're not here, then less than like 2 minutes, then I'll jump down. Copy. Please say something back. Yeah, they're definitely not gonna make it so. They weren't gonna make it anyway, so yeah. Sorry, I had to jump because nobody's gonna make it, so yeah, sorry. Come on. Let's go. Okay. I am on my way back. Please tell me where you are. Oh my god.
I found it.
Oh my god, that brightness.
I found it. It's not mine.
Yeah, I know it's not yours.
Oh, shotgun.
Oh my god. Bro, what?
He died.
I put that with money.
Bro. You know what? I'll do a series on animal control. I mean, animal, you know, whatever this is. Yeah, animal company. I'll do a series on this. It's too long to record. So yeah, thank you for watching video of Monkey VR, and yeah, see you.
I love Monkey VR. I'm gonna kiss him.